Natural bodies of water are, well, naturally dirty. For decades, scientists have wondered how aquatic mammals like beavers and otters manage to keep their fur remarkably clean despite living in murky, bacteria-filled waters. The answer, according to groundbreaking new research from Andrew Dickerson and his team, lies in the fur's incredible ability to bend and flex. In a fascinating experiment, researchers exposed animal fur to dirty water containing titanium dioxide, a substance notorious for sticking to surfaces. The results were striking. Fur allowed to move freely collected less than half the dirt compared to fur held rigid. This flexibility creates a natural self-cleaning mechanism that has evolved over millions of years. The team studied fur from various animals, including beavers, otters, springbok and coyotes, analyzing how texture, length and movement all contribute to cleanliness. As animals move through water, their fur strands actually clean each other through mutual contact. This discovery has major implications beyond animal biology. Industries struggling with fouling problems could develop new surfaces that mimic fur's flexibility, potentially eliminating the need for harmful chemical cleaners. Published in the Royal Society Interface, this research opens doors to revolutionary biomimetic technologies. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.